tears, pain. You never left my side, you remained the same. And I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey Gems, it's Tayshawn Miller. Today I will be doing a video for the beautiful company, Dynasty Goddess. I've worked with them on several occasions. Therefore, they're no stranger to me. I'm no stranger to them. I know their hair is good. So let's go ahead and get the tutorial started. It tells me what they gave me. They gave me a 28-inch extension, 26-inch, and a 24-inch, and then a 22 closure in deep wave. And y'all, I'm so excited to do this video because this video is so beginner friendly as far as the closure goes, and you guys will see what I'm talking about in just a few minutes. So let's go ahead and open this first. And y'all know I'm always bragging about their little satin bags. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. And can you see what that says here? It just has their logo on. Y'all please excuse my nails. I broke a couple of nails this weekend doing some rough people hair. Some rough clients. Well, some clients with rough hair. So yeah, I broke all these long ones. So yeah, whatever. Anyways. So let's go ahead and open this hair up. Y'all, I gotta act surprised. I know I wasn't supposed to open it, but check out. Oh my God. Let me stop playing, y'all. So let me go ahead and just take it all out now. But for real, y'all, this hair bomb. So as usual, you get the little card. And on that card, it just gives you like 20% off your orders. A free closure when you spend a certain amount. $10 off a lace frontal. So that's really cool. It also has their website and everything on there. So we're going to go ahead and start with the 28-inch. That's 24. This is the 28. Y'all, I'm so excited to see this hair. Oh, my God. Y'all, look at this hair. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Barely even moving. Do y'all, girl, stop playing with these people and his hair, honey. Yes, look at this. And again, it's 28 inches. So, yeah, I'm gonna be looking like Shirley Temple around this thing. Y'all, I don't even want to open this hair up to sew it. I honestly don't, because I'm just so afraid. I'm afraid I'm gonna mess up this boinginess. But this is absolutely beautiful, y'all. Get into this hair. Get into it, honey. Here's the 24. I have a hangnail on my finger, so yeah. Yeah, I cannot get the net off of this. The 24 looks longer than, oh no, this is the 26. The 26 looks longer for some reason. Maybe because it's hanging longer, but yeah, it looks longer. So this is the 26. And here is the 24. And for those of you who want to see any other videos that I've done with their hair, I will make sure that I link my latest video for them. Yeah, I'm just going to rip this off so that you guys can see it. This is the 24 here. I really like this because it looks like wand curls. So that makes it a plus, guys, because once the curl starts to kind of drop out, you can just get your little wand curl and just whoop-de-doop-doop-doop and get you some wand curls back. So this is what this video is really all about. This right here. So this is their beginner-friendly closures. And I'm going to show you guys what I mean by beginner-friendly. So for those of you who are into middle parts, I'm not. But for those of you who are, this is a plus for you guys that don't know how to make your little wigs or whatever, because this will help you out as far as the plucking is concerned. So let's, y'all, they be packing these nets on here real good. Okay, so this is a beginner friendly. Y'all see that part already there? Y'all see that middle part? Y'all see that middle part already there. Sis, you don't have to worry about parting it, doing it too wide or anything like that, because y'all, they did it for y'all. They just so wonderful. Okay, so the reason, like I said, this is beginner friendly is because, believe it or not, you can, okay, so let me show you. You see how this is like this? Most of the closures that I've been noticing lately, they have such a thick band around here, and when you go to cut that lace off the front, boo-boo, it's not cute. It still sits there and you can see like the crease where it was sewn. But as you can see, this is flat as a sheet of paper. Do y'all not see how flat this is? Sis, this is very, very flat. So therefore, because it's flat, it's going to lay flush on your unit. It's going to lay flush against your scalp, like so. Yes, baby, yes. So only thing you would have to do is, number one, bleach your knots. And number two, I would, and I am going to pluck a little bit up in this beginning area, right up in here. And that's all I'm going to have to do. That's it. That is it, okay? And this is the 22-inch, okay?
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover so that I can speed up the video. So I'm using a little BW2 powder and my 50 volume developer, and I'm just going to try to lift the knots just a little bit. I'm not into bleaching my closures or frontals or lace wigs like I used to, because I noticed that kind of takes away in the length and the longevity of having the closure or the frontal, because it makes the knots very weak, and when you comb them over time and wash them, you lose hair and you end up with bald spots. So what I do now is I just allow my bleach to sit. The longest maybe 8 minutes, but the shortest time is about 5 minutes. Depending on the heat. If it's really cold in the house, then I definitely let it sit for 10 minutes. But if it's, a little warm in the house and that heat can get to that bleach, then I go ahead and I let it process for about 5 minutes, 5-6 minutes, and that's about it. So as I stated earlier, I am not a fan of middle parts. So guess what, guys? I was able to, with the rest of the hair, do a side part, which you guys know side parts are my absolute favorite. And if you're wondering where that middle part is, it is still here, honey. I'm showing it to you right now, nice and clean. I really love how clean that middle part is. So as you can see, there's the middle part, but I'm going to go ahead and put it back over on my deep side part, and I am going to go ahead and pluck. I did not show that, and I did the baby hair. If you want a video on how I do my baby hair, then just let me know in the comment section and I'll go ahead and get that up for you guys. So now that I have my closure nice and flat, I am just showing you guys a little bit of me sewing. Again, this is so repetitive. I have like a million videos on me sewing or making my wigs. So I'm just showing you my stitch game. Yes, it's on point. So you want to make sure though that you get that stitching like this, because I mean, like, the wig will last forever. Do you see, like, it looks like it was sewn on a sewing machine? So let me tell you guys, I decided that I wanted to cheat a little bit. I like the wig and how it is at the top, but I kind of wanted some volume and I wanted it to blend in with the loose deep. And by the way, guys, if I didn't let you guys know earlier that the hair was loose deep, I'm pretty sure I did. But if I didn't, it is loose deep, and I have the 22 closure, and the bundles are 24, 26, and 28. So right now what you see me doing is cheating. I am crimping the top of the hair just so that it blends a little bit more and it's not like straight and then turns into the curl. Now I will be doing a update video in about 2 to 3 weeks with this hair. You guys let me know what you want to see. Do you want me to wand curl it? Do you want me to crimp the whole thing? Do you want me to color it? What do you want me to do in the next video in about a couple of weeks? So guys, I am done with crimping, and as you can see, it looks amazing. So right now I'm just showing you all the finished product, what it looks like. It's very, let me tell y'all something. This hair is so lightweight that it feels like nothing is on my hair, and you would think that it was heavy because it looks like a lot of hair. I am definitely in love with the fact that this hair is very fluffy. It has a very nice texture. It actually feels like I blow dried my hair and wand curled it. That's how this hair feels. Very natural. So Dynasty Goddess definitely did their thing. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you follow Dynasty Goddess. I will have their information linked as well. Follow them on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.